We are ready to go scuba diving with Eden Dive. I think that's the boat of Eden Dive. Maybe that's Marlon already waiting for us. Twin engine. And kami, a small boat. And that's Berna climbing up, being guided by Marlon. Ito pinakasikat, si Eden Dive. With the famous dive master. Yan, si Marlon. Kumusta ka na, Marlon? Mabuti pa rin, ha? Okay. We always dive with this Filipino dive master. His name is Marlon because he knows our style of diving where we want to go very deep. Yes, Marlon is from the company called Eden Dive. The company knows the dive site very well because their dive shop is just right across them. Right at the back is where we stay. That's the Bellevue. So we are on the way now to the dive site. It's called Dolho. Actually, Dolho is a wall, and it's a very, very long wall with so many sea fans. The best part is that from the shallow up to the depth of more than 40 meters, you can see a lot of giant sea fans. And that's the reason why we love diving here. And it's also very, very deep. That's why my wife, Berna, loves the area where you get to dive deep and see a lot of giant sea fans as my dive master is fixing my balloon just to make sure that it's working. And those are our fins, and Berna is already very, very excited. So many boats coming here, mostly Koreans and also Chinese. There they are. Those are the Chinese divers. And also many Korean divers under Eden Dive. First thing that Marlon has to do is to tie from the buoy, and we will be descending from there.
Minimum depth, ha?
40?
Oo, eh.
Oh, 40 naman.
Hindi, pero gusto niya 40, no? Pero
So, sa Tibuton,
Hindi, kung ikaw, hindi mo kayang 40,
Okay
walang
naman.
problema.
Oh.
Basta
Oh, pero-
maganda visibility, okay lang.
ngayon, pangit talaga ang visibility ngayon.
Basta
kasi-
magpakita.
pangit, bakit pangit pa?
Yung nagaraan kasi may
May bagyo.
bagyo.
Siyempre.
Pero hindi na pumapangit ang visibility dito, ah. Kahit low tide, kahit low tide.
Kasi yung nakarang araw may bagyo at malakas ang alon dito.
Ganon?
Kaya,
So basta,
Pero visibility siguro pangit sa mababaw, pero sa malalim okay. 'Di ba?
parang gano'n.
Para hindi naman naabot yung bagyo ron.
Dive ako lang kayo ng umaga. Pareho lang din ng ilalim at saka yung nasa ibabaw.
Ganon? Pangit ang visibility? Oh, wow. Yun
so
ang,
anong kaya mo? Hanggang 40 kaya mo?
Okay.
Basta okay na yung tenga mo, ha?
Okay lang.
Ayos, yung tenga, nagkaroon ng problema ang tenga ni Marlon, eh. So, napahinga ng ano. Ayan si Berna, ready na to dive si Berna, bro.
Papunta tayo doon.
Sige, so wala ka ng dive plan na ibibigay. Wala na, basta abot tayo ng 40. Okay. Hindi, sandali, ha.
40 maganda.
Ito, maraming hangin, eh. Pero ako, pagka naubusan, hindi ako pwedeng matagal.
Masinal ka loon,
Kanya nga, pero ikaw, ano kayo, malitang lungs nito, eh. Sige, ready to dive na ba tayo?
Sige.
Sige, bisan muna si Madam Berna. Mauna na muna para makunan ko. Ready to dive, just making sure that everything is well streamlined and you have air on your BCD, and make sure that you have your proper weights, which is 5% of your total weight. Pinalilipat ko yung tingga ko sa likod kasi nga para balansyado ko. Ayan, okay. Okay na. Tapos isang tingga rito, isang tingga ron, ha? Di balansyado na ako niyan, pare. For the past so many years, I've been buddying with my wife Berna, and she's already a very good dive master. And the only thing that keeps us together is our passion for the deep dives, and that's the reason why We always enjoy diving together. In the Philippines, we are lucky that we have over 7,000 islands. The Philippines is the center of marine biodiversity in the world. After scuba diving, one of the best things to do is go to the beach and just completely chill out, lying down. Unlike others, they go to the beach just looking at the ocean. Here, we are already finished with our diving, so chilling out is the best thing to do. All right, so we need to find 2 sunbeds for both of us. We will just have to wait for the happy hour and get 2 for 1. Mama Berna, dito ka sa tabi ko. Naka-reserve ka na sa sunbed. Ano oras ba yung happy hour, Mama Berna? Ha? 3 to 6? Yan, buti may dalang boy bawang si Mama Berna. Okay, yan yung mga drinks namin. Yan na ba? Ano ba yung dala mong drinks? Lapit sa konti rito, layo mo. Yan. Ano ba yan?
Piña colada saka mojito.
Oh, ano yung order mo, Berna? Pinakulada siguro sa kanya. O, Berna, pinakulada raw sa'yo.
Ako, pinakulada.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Margarita na. Pakibaba na rito. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Oh, cheers, Mama. Okay. Cheers to the good life here at Bellevue. Napakaganda rito.